Alright, today is the day that I am going to power wash the chassis. Just get all the junk and debris that's on and off. All this grease and dirt, mouse droppings, and I bought some Simple Green. I think that's the way to go on this. Yeah, so let me blast it with the pressure washer and then see what needs further attention. Alright, so that was the first pass with the power washer. Still got grease in there. I'll hit that with the grease in there. That actually, it is pretty clean. It's bare metal, it's just stained. I thought that was grease and oil. It's not. When I first started spraying this down, you could smell urine, animal urine, mice obviously, but it smelled like cow urine in my opinion. So I blew it out, and the smell was pretty overwhelming. It was pretty strong. So I blew it out. You can see that's a lot of the grime and debris that's built up over time, and yeah, it smells. It's still going to need a bleach treatment. So the inside is going to need a bleach treatment. The whole thing, it'll get sprayed down with bleach, I think, just to kill any germs once it's 100% clean. After I'm done power washing and scrubbing and simple greening it, I'll follow the process up with bleach, just to make sure there's no lingering germs or smell from whatever was living in this thing for years. Had to be. Glue does not want to come off. Yeah, I don't want to use this. It worries me. power washer in here, clean that up. Alright, found the source of the smell. This insulation material got pushed out of here, but there's still more in there. I thought I had cleaned it out. This center tunnel, I cleaned it quite well. And then I started doing the corners over here, and more debris was shooting out of these holes. There's some shooting out down there. So there's obviously a nest. There was a nest in here at one point, and I have to get it out of these two wings, and that's kind of difficult because there's no direct access other than on an angle with the power washer. But then you're just blowing it around, so I have to kind of blow it around and then push it out, blow it around over here, then push it out. So yeah, it's gonna take a bit. I feel good that I've gotten all of the, or most of the debris out, if not all of it. And you could see down there the piles of stuff, and right there is something that looks like the remains of a mouse that's been power washed. So my GoPro camera got too hot in the sun, so using my phone. Yeah, I feel pretty good that I've gotten all the debris out. When I shoot all the different holes with the power washer, I get clear water coming out of all the weep points. Down in these arms, there's two of them or there's one on each side. Right on the bottom. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh no, it's not. That's on the outside. Yeah. So again, here's the damage on the chassis. Just this is bent down in here. It's got to be hammered back, and then probably a little bead of weld will take care of it. But yeah, all the debris appears to be out of it. And there's, I don't know if you can see with the light, but there's a fair amount of it. There was a good sized mouse nest in there. Yeah. And the benefit is now I can stick my nose in there and it doesn't stink of urine. Still has to be bleached. Still needs a good scrub down. But yeah, I feel good about getting that out. I feel much better about the inside of it now being much cleaner. Take a look. So those are stains. Again, I gotta hit the inside with bleach. That's it for now. Okay, chassis is suspended, and the scale reads 136.2, and the strap is half a pound, so 135 pounds. The chassis of the Esprit is give or take a pound, 135 pounds on a 91. So pretty cool.